I have covered this extensively in my inner circle over the last 3 months, whilst we have taken Anita Leo's business from zip to $27,000 a month, something like that. But what it comes down to is this. You can, as I mentioned earlier, put a shitty message, like a crap advert, for your product in front of a good audience, and you will make sales all day long. All day long you will make sales, okay? And conversely, you can put a brilliant advert, beautifully done, fantastically crafted, the greatest copywriters in the world, the best graphic designers, everything schmicko perfect. But if you put that advert in front of the wrong audience, the wrong marketplace, you will not make any sales. So, targeting and a warm audience, all warm audience means is you have done your targeting properly. So let's take this product right here, which is a microfiber beach towel. Now, if I put that marketing message in front of 60-year-old blokes, I ain't gonna make a lot of sales. That's just not gonna happen, all right? And if I put that marketing message in front of people who have just come back from their holidays, again, I ain't going to make a lot of sales. But if I put that marketing message in front of people who are just about to leave to go on their holidays, I'll make sales. I'll make sales. So warmness, as you say, is really a function of targeting. That's all that really means, okay? Warmness, a warm audience, is really just good targeting. That's all it really means. So it's better, Hitten, to focus on targeting, because if you get that right, you'll have a warm audience. You'll have an audience that is predisposed to wanting to buy your product. All right. Now, if you follow my step-by-step training in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, you will notice that I believe it's module number 6 goes into great detail about setting up social media, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, blah, 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 blah. And the reason that I do that is because I'm thinking ahead for you. I'm thinking ahead for you and for your business. When you first launch, you don't use that info that much, but it's folly to skip doing it, because as you launch and grow your business, you'll use it more and more and more. And I'm thinking to myself, how do I get these guys to $50,000 a month? How do I do that for you? How do I show you the route to $50,000 a month? And that's what I've laid out for you. The reason I stress the importance of social media like Facebook pages and things like that, and then constantly updating them, is because you can use that to have the perfect, hottest audience for your products when it comes to you doing Facebook ads. That's part and parcel of the reason I do that. So, a bit of a rant there, but just to reiterate, warmness is really just a function of targeting. The better you get at putting your advert in front of the right people, the warmer your audience will be. It's as simple as that. And then all you need to do is put a message in front of them that solves a problem that they've got, and you will make sales, and therefore you will make money. All right, therefore you will make money. And it really is as simple as that. A lot of folks overcomplicate it, but it really is as simple as that. All right, I don't have a $4,000 Amazon training course to sell you, so I don't need to complicate the hell out of it. I can tell you how easy it is, because I don't need to sell you a $4,000 Amazon training course. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.